ሰላም ኤቨሪባዲ ይህ ቢትኮይን ኢትዮጵያ ነው። እንኳን ተመለሳችሁ ወደ ቻናሉ በሰላም መጣችሁ። በዛሬው ቪዲዮ I'm going to be showing you guys when I am going to be buying ቢትኮይን። መች ነው የምትገዛው ካላችሁኝ፣ በዚህ ሳይክል በዚህ ቤር ማርኬት ላይ መች ነው ማኪዩኔት ማድረግ የምትጀምረው ካላችሁኝ፣ we're going to be using Benjamin Cohen's site into the Cryptoverse Premium። እዛ ውስጥ ገብተን ሪስክ ሌቭል የሚባል አለ። እሱ ሪስክ ሌቭል እናንተ ስረድቼ I'm going to show you past cycle ላይ ነዛ risk level መች ነበር, when was it a good time to invest in Bitcoin እና ቦተሙን ለማግኘት መሞከር. Of course nobody is perfect, we're going to try to do that. I'm going to be showing you guys ለእናንተ ማሳያችሁ ይሆናል። ለቻናሉ አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁ እንዳትረሱ። ቪዲዮን የሚመቻችሁ ከሆነ ላይክ እያደረጋችሁ ለፉ፣ ዝም ብላችሁ አትለፉ። ቪዲዮን አይታችሁ let's go down to the video. So basically Bitcoin has been dropping, we all know. We are in a bear market. Surprise. I have been telling you guys for a while. ነገር ግን I wanted to show you risk levels regarding Bitcoin, okay? So right here we have Bitcoin's price, we have the key risks and fiat risk የሚባል አለና we have different 0 ምናምን 0.3 0.4 ከፕራይሶች ጋር correlated ሆነ, okay? One thing I wanted to show you is historical price and risk levels. እና አሁን ሂስቶሪኩን ተመልክተን አሁን ላይ ደግሞ ምን ኤክስፔክት እናደርግ ወዴት አካባቢ ላይ እንሂድ የሚለውን በቪዲዮ መጨረሻ ላይ እናወራለን። አንድ ጊዜ መጀመሪያ historical risk ሌቭሎችን እንመልከት። ኦኬ so as you can see here in bear markets we can check it out here. bear market 2011 the risk level was 0.05. እዚህ ጋር የምትመለከቱት በቀዩ it says the risk level፣ በሰማያዊ የምትመለከቱት ደግሞ የቢትኮይን ፕራይስ ነው። ኦኬ usually it has been really good to buy Bitcoin when the risk level is ከ0.1 በታች። ኦኬ 0.0 ላይ ከተገኘ it's an amazing opportunity. buy ነው። no financial advice by the way, this is educational video እና ዲሲዥናችሁን የምታደርጉት እናንተ ናችሁ. do your own research on your investment strategies, okay? But I'm going to show you what I am using right now. So the bear market lows እዚህ ጋር እንደምትመለከቱት የመጀመሪያው 0.04 ነበረ። እዚህ ጋር ሌላ ሎው ነበረን፣ በጣም ወደ ታች ወርዶ ነበር። እዚህ ጋር I mean it went literally to zero፣ ግን በደንብ አያሳየኝም እዚህ ጋር። wait a second, let's see 0.009. yeah, I guess that's where it was. The 2018 we went down to ስንት ላይ ነው? 0.1. okay 2022 bear market bottom and the risk level was at 0.2. actually I guess we did have ከዛም የባሰ ሪስክ ሌቭል ላይ ደርሰን ነበር። ቀደም ብለን ማርኬቱ ላይ 0.01 ነበረ፣ 0.133 ኦኬ እዚህ ጋር የቤር ማርኬት ቦተሙ ላይ ብንሄድ ደግሞ 0.2 ነበረ ሪስክ ሌቭል። ኦኬ so usually it's a good time to buy Bitcoin when we are at risk levels that are very low 0.1 0.0 ምናምን እዛ አካባቢ ላይ። አሁን ላይ የቱ ጋር እንገኛለን? የአሁኑ ሌቭላችን ስንመለከት 0.28 ላይ ነው የምንገኘው። ኦኬ so I guess not bad not good። አሁን ላይ ያለው 0.3 ላይ ነው። we had a bounce፣ ስለዚህ ትንሽ ከፍ ብሏል። so yeah, this is the current levels, okay, for Bitcoin at least. If we go to this risk levels እና ፕራይሶቹ ጋር አሁን ላይ ምን ኤክስፔክት እናድርግ የሚለውን ብንመለከት so in the key risks ወደ 0.1 እንኳን ቢሄድልን ብንል 40,000 የአሜሪካ ዶላር ነው። you guys can see it right here, right? 40,000 ዶላር ነው። 0.07 ላይ ቢገባ 38,000 ነው። 0.000 መጨረሻ ላይ ብታገኙት የምትችሉት I think that's improbable, but you never say never, okay? 35,000 አሜሪካ ዶላር ነው። 0.05 37,000 so you guys can see here. so I guess ከ0.15 አካባቢ even 0.2 ላይ ካገኛችሁት I think Bitcoin at $50,000 is really good. I mean maybe I will start buying at this level. I'll start accumulating and DCAing at this level. dollar cost averaging. That's a strategy that you buy every week, every month, a certain amount of money into the crypto. እና I guess Z level ላይ accumulate ማድረግ መጀመር እንችላለን። I say this levels because I want to show you the 200 weekly moving average right now is at 58,000. The 300 weekly moving average right now is at 50. So it corresponds well. ይህ የምትመለከቱ ሪስክ ሌቭሎች it corresponds really well እና እዛ ላይ accumulate ማድረግ እንጀምራለን። የፊያት ሪስኩንም ተመሳሳይ ነገር so I wanted to show you guys. I'm going to keep it short. This video is going to be short, okay? It's not going to be long. I'm not going forever. Just listen to me out right now. ከለር ኮድን በሪስክም ሌብል አለን እዚህ ጋር ከፈለጋችሁ የቢትኮይን it has been really good times when it has been at 0.1 እንዳልኳችሁ we can do this. We can show you guys ከ0.0 ወደ 0.1 የነበረበት ሪስክ ሌቭል ከ0.1 ወደ 0.2 የነበረበት ታይም ላይ እና እንደምትመለከቱት these are bear market bottoms በጣም bear market ቦተሞቹ ላይ ናቸው እነዚህ የምታያቸው በሰማያዊ ኦኬ if we add 0.2 to 0.3 to this risk level let's see we did breach it አሁን እንዳልኳችሁ እንዳሳየዋችሁ these ከ0.3 በታች የነበሩበት ታይም ላይ historically has been a really good time to buy bitcoin so check it out guys እነዚህ ታይም ላይ መግዛት ወደ እዩ አካባቢ ላይ ሲሄድ መሸጥ history risk levels have always been really good እና it's really helpful if you want we can see for ethereum let's see so 0.01 0.0 0.02 0.03 these are bear market bottoms so right now we are at I don't know wait let's show all አሁን ላይ ሪስክ ሌቭላችን 0.4 ላይ ነው so it's not a good time to buy ethereum not yet I guess እዚህ ወደ ሰማያዊ የሚሄድበት አካባቢ ላይ መግዛትና accumulate ማድረግ ethereum I think it is really good the other stuff I guess we can see for XRP ተመሳሳይ ነገር XRP's risks is ከ0.2 በታች ብትሄዱ I guess 90 ሳንቲም ላይ ካገኛችሁት XRP it's a good time to buy who knows what's going to happen next time so I guess check it out ለእናንተ ስክሪንሾት እንድታደርጉ ነው እንድታስቀምጡ እዚህ ጋር ተውላችኋለሁ for Solana we can do the same thing for Solana it is at 0.1 risk level is $30 like that's really low but it's a good price to buy Solana if you want but I would rather focus on Bitcoin because Bitcoin is king in the cryptoverse you know that guys I do like Bitcoin usually you have that alt season የሚባሉት ሌሎች altoች አሪፍ outperform Bitcoin የሚያደርጉት time it is after a parabolic Bitcoin run so if you have that kind of parabolic runs you will then change የሶላና Bitcoin ፔራችሁን ትቀይሩታላችሁ Bitcoinአችሁን ወደ ሶላና ቀይራችሁ ወይም ደግሞ Bitcoinአችሁን ወደ ኢቴሪየም ወይም ደግሞ Bitcoinአችሁን ወደ XRP ቀይራችሁ you can have that extra gains after Bitcoin has rallied ይህንን የምልበት ምክንያት total 3 minus USDC divided by Bitcoin ብትመለከቱት እዚህ ጋር okay I wanted to show you guys something ይህንን እናጥፋውና for the past few years altcoins have been going down the only time they have been outperforming እዚህ ጋር ወደ ላይ ሲሄድ የምትመለከቱት outperform ሲያደርጉ ነው outperform ያደረጉበትን time ብትመለከቱ it was on 2021 after Bitcoin has had that parabolic run it was also in 2018 2017 after Bitcoin had that parabolic run okay for the past 5 years altcoins have been bleeding to Bitcoin ወደ ታች እየሄዱ ነው በሌሎች ቪዲዮዎች ላይ አስረድቻችኋለሁ what Bitcoin was doing and what the other altcoin market industry has been doing for the past 3 years Bitcoin has been doing this okay and altcoin ተብሎ የሚጠሩት ማርኬቶች በጠቅላላ ቢትኮይን ወደ ላይ ሲሄድ አብረው ይሄዳሉ ሲቀንስ ወደ ታች ወደ ሏቸው ይሄዳሉ ወደ ላይ ሲሄድ ወደ ላይ ይሄዳሉ ወደ ታች ሲሄድ this is what they have been doing so this is the difference between Bitcoin and altcoins okay በላስት ሳይክል ላይ ቢትኮይን 7 እጥፍ ነው ወደ 8 እጥፍ አካባቢ ነው ኤክስትራ የሰጠን እና I mean why not it's better Bitcoin is the better hold for the long term እና ይህ ሪስክ ሌቭሎች ላይ ሲደርስ ለእናንተም አፕዴት የምሰጣችሁ ይሆናል። I guess the video was useful. I hope it was. ሪስክ ሌቭሎችን ተመልክተናል እና ለእናንተም when to buy when to enter the market የሚለውን በደንብ ተመልክታችሁበት ብዬ ተስፋ አድርጋለሁ። ይህ ቢትኮይን ኢትዮጵያ ነው። ስሜ ሮቤል አለሙ ነው። ለቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጋችሁ እንዳትረሱ። ቪዲዮ ከተመቻችሁ give it a thumbs up, destroy that like button and comment below when are you going to start buying Bitcoin, which price levels do you think we're going to be seeing soon. Yeah, so see you next time. Have a good time and have a good evening wherever you are.